Hello guys, today I'll be comparing Magnific AI versus Topaz AI. I'll be going through their strengths and weaknesses and what should the entity know the ideal users. Magnific AI is a cloud-based tool celebrated for its ability to reimagine and hallucinate details during upscaling, creating incredibly high-resolution images with added realism and intricate textures. It's particularly strong for enhancing AI-generated art, digital paintings, and images with significant compression artifacts, as it can add new, plausible detail where none existed. Users guide the AI with prompts with sliders, offering a unique level of artistic control over the output. It's user-friendly but operates on a subscription model with a credit system, which can be expensive and requires an internet connection. Topaz AI, specifically Topaz Photo AI and Gigapixel AI, is a suite of desktop applications focused on restoring and enhancing existing photographic details. Topaz Gigapixel AI excels at upscaling images to 600% without introducing artifacts, preserving original sharpness and detail. Topaz Photo AI streamlines the workflow for noise reduction, sharpening, and basic upscaling with an autopilot mode. Topaz products are known for their high quality results, particularly for traditional photography, and operate locally on your computer. The pricing is typically a higher one-time purchase with a year of free updates. So, which to choose between them? Magnific AI is ideal for digital artists, AI art enthusiasts, and creators who want to not just upscale but enhance or reimagine images with new AI generated details, even from very low resolution or abstract resources. Topaz AI, on the other hand, is best for photographers and graphic designers who need to meticulously improve the quality of existing photos by reducing noise, sharpening, and enlarging without fabricating details, valuing precise control and offline processing. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.